Welcome back. Well, the markets are still trading with a bit of a cut, not moved too much. But as promised, let's move on to an exclusive then. Yash Jain spoke to Vibha Padalkar, the MD and CEO of HDFC Life, who spoke about her expectations regarding the protection book, as well as expectations from the Gift City subsidiary. Let's listen in to what she had to tell us.
Clearly, Q1 protection was in the 50-60% range in terms of sum assured, as well as if you were to look at AP growth, about 40-50%. It's continuing in that kind of a range, even on a year-to-date basis. And our market share also, we are amongst the top couple of companies in the retail protection space. Of course, on credit life, we are growing between 30-40%. That continues to happen on the group protection space. So yeah, just to summarize, individual protection continuing to grow very robust in the 40% plus range. The number of policies continuing to be very robust in the protection. The sum assured also, and for us, our market share is in the 16-17% kind of a range in just protection part of it.
So expected to remain in the range of 40% plus for the year as far as the protection is concerned? So
there is a little bit of base effect because as a sector, we went through some ups and downs because of COVID and some struggles on reinsurance and so on. So there will be a little bit of normalization, but it should be faster than company level growth. Definitely.
And what's the normalization rate that you see?
I think about 20-22%, 20 to 25% even is a good place to be.
Okay. You spoke about market share, and I mean, I understand that you did allude to this point in the last interview. SBI Life right now has a market share of about 10.49%. These are August numbers. You stand at about 8.39%. Is that an aspiration to be called the largest private life insurance company in terms of market share? Do you look at that, and are you working towards that to sort of close this gap of about 100-150 basis points?
Again, short answer is no. We are HDFC Bank, and by that I mean that we have to triangulate in terms of growth, profitability and quality of business. And hence, while we certainly want to stay amongst the top three, and we are today and have consistently been there, but again it's triangulating in terms of your bottom line, because if we were to drop our ranking, our new business margins could easily cross 30%. It's not a difficult ask.
5 years down the line, all three products on all three sides, HER, where do you see the contribution coming from the Gift City? Any sort of broad?
Little bit early. It's a small subsidiary, but it can be very meaningful. I think just to take a number, I think of 5% in terms of APE, very easily it can get to that kind of a number, yeah.
Okay, one last question before we conclude the interaction, and this is an industry-wide issue which started long back. The whole point of the GST notice also to about 942 crore rupees. Of course, you had informed the exchanges about receiving the show cause notice. You had said that you will get in consultation with the legal team to address this. What has been the development on that thing? You were looking to challenge it. Has anything come out of it?
Yes. So we have time. We're in the process of responding back in detail. It will be a fairly lengthy response along with a lot of evidences in terms of what were the activities conducted, what were the invoices raised, and most importantly that all of these were raised in our GST portal. Those sorts of things in terms of detailing is what we are working on right now, and it's an industry matter, and we will let law take the due course on that. Yeah.
All right, interesting comments coming in from Vibha Padalkar. We'll get you excerpts of that through the day as well. With that